What's up? It's Alec. We're doing another video over at Dylan's house. That's Dylan, that's Damon. We're all vibing. I'm putting it up here for better camera quality because I know how to GoPro. This has been your intro. Let's get to it.
So, all right, here's the actual intro. Welcome to today's video. We are here at Dylan's property. We have an awesome setup we worked on all summer for. And there's Alec with his horrible intro. It was really bad, but we are vibing today, just like he already said, and we're gonna kind of do like a little montage of what we already have done and how everything started. So we already started this whole project with just this little clip that you're gonna about to see. So now, after that, we are gonna now look at some montage of throughout the whole build of this whole place. After that, now let's go throughout the whole every row that we have right now, set up and into the ground. This is the drop-in. This was the first thing that built, and that blue pipe was right here, and this is what our summer setup was. This is the top of the drop-in. Right here is the start for the two lineups that you're about to see right over there. Jump that we have with turf. And there's Alec, really messed up over there. That's the starting gate up there, that's Dylan, and that's the drop in. And then this is just a little horse gate. And then if you keep going all the way down here, we got a nice little dirt jump with a waterfall, little step downs and step downs. And also, this is the huge battleship, absolutely huge. Insert a video of Dylan doing that right now. All right, so after that, he did it. Great job. I'm still working on it. And then over there, we have a nice little dirt jump with a horse gate and also a down. So flat, down. And that's basically our whole setup. But then you go all the way down here, and this is like the best part. This is a little, I don't know if you can see it. Right over here, this is a little roller, and we can do like surface threes and stuff. Then this is the jump. This is where we can send front flips. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's it. And I already hit 360s on this, hopefully 540s. But this is mainly set up perfectly so we can actually do front flips on this. And all these jumps, besides the battleship and the plain PVC, is all made out of dirt. But those two are made out of wooden jumps that we made. And we just put turf on top. And all these dirt jumps also have turf on top of it. So now let's get the clips that we are actually doing now. So I don't know what they're sending right now, but besides that, let's get into today's video. Quick little bathroom break right up there. Alright guys, so here's future Damon, past Damon. Thanks for the great video, but I hope you like this backyard setup. I guess I didn't really film an outro, that's why I'm filming it now. So right now, I'm actually going to be editing this like right now. So, and I also wanted to say, my goal is to get to 100 subscribers by the new year, which is like next week. But thanks for all the Huck House fam for coming to subscribe, because we actually did reach 100 subscribers, and this was a huge deal for me and Alec. He's on the phone right now. Say hi, Alec.
Howdy.
So, thank you for reaching 100 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Alec and I both appreciate it a lot. So, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Subscribe, comment where your local hill is, and peace out.